recorded 44 videos. Then my boy said, if you're gonna do 44, you might as well make it 50. So the 44 went from 50 to 52. So I could drop at least one video a week for 1 year. First date I have is TSLA, February 2nd, 2025. We're gonna do bear flags now. February 6th, 2025. First, I'm gonna check the daily for gaps. No gap. Check this pre-market level. Like this. This level. Let's see what else we have in this area. Nothing. Nothing. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, I'll do this low right here at 368.01. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 minute time frame at 9:35. Let's go to 6. Nice. Break through the psychological level at 370. Let's see what happens here. Nice. After the entry, we consolidate. Still never goes red. Hits the first target and rejecting off the first target now. Let's go to 50. Rejecting the first target and the 9 EMA. Still showing no sign of a reversal. Rejecting the same support again, making new lows. So two times, at least 3 times, you had a chance to scale out. On the first initial drop on the 370 psychological break, could have scaled out right here, scaled out right here, scale out right here. Let's go to 10:05. It's really showing no signs of strength. Entry, scale out, scale out, scale out. Nice. Next date I have is February 20th, 2025. February 20th, 2025. First, we're gonna go to the daily. Check for gaps. Now the 4 hour. This is the prior day low. Let's see, 353 to 349. That's too far. 353 to 350. $3 move. That's too far. 353 to 350, 46, too far. I'm gonna check the 1 hour time frame, see what I have a little bit closer. So I don't want to feel like I'm searching for too much, especially if we're opening up this high and we have to come down, and somewhere down the line we're gonna need a pullback. So on the first initial target, I don't want to feel like I'm looking for too much. 350, 136. So, okay. 350, 136. Let me go back to the 4 hour now to see if I missed anything. Now, see, I'll do this low. This is halfway in between both, and this is a psychological level at 350. And we have this here. So because we're coming down from so far, on the first target, I'm not looking for too much. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the 1 minute. And because we're opening up far, it's okay to skip the time to at least 9:45. Okay, we're coming down. Coming down. Looks extended. Boom. Come down. Nice break. Hit first target. So from 353, we come down to 350, 136. Let's see what happens at 10. Boom. We come up, double top off of the entry level, never really went red, and now we're coming down again. Boom. Nice double top off the 9 EMA, come down, hit the next target, come down to the third target, we bounce. Let's see if this holds. So let's go to 1015. Let's see if we get to 347.50. Nope, we're recovering now. Let's see. Full recovery.